All black, all business, and packed with professional-grade performance hardware. This prim and polished 91 Syclone backs a turbocharged V6 with factory all-wheel drive and a tuned sport suspension. If you are an enlightened enthusiast who errs on the side of utilitarian, it's an incredible pickup that doubles as an incredible bargain. General Motors set the automotive marketplace on its ear with the curveball known as the 1991 Syclone. But unfortunately, the corporation's own bureaucracy killed the world-beating truck almost as fast as it hit dealerships, limiting production to 2,995 units. This Syclone's wet-looking coat of GM Code 19 Black highlights solid sheet metal that's both crisp and sharp. Inside, you'll find a correct gray and black interior that's virtually spotless. Typical GMC fashion dictates more comfort than sport, and naturally that means this Syclone is loaded with all of the features you would expect, including power windows, power locks, climate control, cruise control, and a tilt steering wheel. And red-piped factory buckets are cushy and comfortable. With the help of a Mitsubishi turbocharger, a Garrett water-to-air intercooler, and 48mm throttle body, the 4.3-liter V6 under the hood cranks out 280 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Backing that engine is a proven 700 R4 automatic that sends power to all four wheels. Nobody scoffs at GMC's Syclone and Typhoon. Thanks to their professional-grade DNA and an ability to whip pretty much any street challenger, the trucks get big respect and much admiration. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.